forward deployed to Finland, Poland, and we've also...
Mobile command post with the on the far left hand side. The K3 missiles are carried, 2 tanks each containing 4 missiles are carried. The service, German Patriot radars underwent multiple upgrades. The radar sends out 20 smaller directional radar pulses it's loaded with the bigger K2 missile.
Our major thing is to contribute NATO air power and air policing missions, and during the same time we are executing air shielding missions. For us it means that we are participating NATO exercises and contributing the whole big picture, since we are doing our national flight training during the same time. And one crucial part for us is that we are enhancing our deployment capabilities, since we have been homeland defenders for decades, that now we are learning and enhancing the capabilities to operate under the host nation support in other countries. We are here to contribute NATO air power and deter aggression. This is our first time here in Romania, and it is great that we are able to enhance the NATO itself. It is a real important milestone for Finland and the integration in the NATO air power, and we are able to enhance here the Romanian air policing capabilities as a part of the alliance.
We're here to provide 24/7 quick reaction alerts in support of NATO, defending international and Romanian airspace and the rules-based international order. The Black Sea is the eastern flank of NATO. We are not very far away from a conflict in Europe, and Romania shares a border with Ukraine. So as a political or geopolitical location, Romania and its eastern side is very important. So the UK conducts air policing across all of the eastern flank of NATO, and we take it in turns with our colleagues and partners to make sure that all of the air policing detachments that are required 3 times a year are filled across the east. Last year we were in Amari in Estonia, and then the 2 years before that we were back here in Romania. Next year we go to Poland, and then in 2026 we may come back to Romania, but we vary what we do across the eastern flank. It allows us to work with different partners and nations, and it all has to be in sequence with the other air policing nations and where they require to be. So the Finnish Air Force have been a partner nation of NATO for many years. We share a long, rich history. We were both formed in 1918, and we've operated and worked together, both the UK and Finland, but also Finland and NATO for many years. Having the Finnish here on an air policing detachment with us allows us to learn from them. Their Air Force credentials are second to none. There are some particular areas where they are world leaders in that we look to learn from them, such as things like agile combat employment and dynamic use of your aircraft. So we look forward to both integrating them into the NATO air policing mission here with us, but also learning from our Finnish colleagues and professionals in their Air Force.